What would happen if you took a Harbor Freight engine and combined it with an RC controller? Keep watching this video to find out. I made it to Harbor Freight, about to pick up the engine. This is the 79 cubic centimeter engine, the 3 horsepower. This is the 212, the very popular one that people put on go-karts, pit bikes and whatnot. This is the 6.5 horsepower. So the one thing that I'm really looking at is the throttle mechanism, and this is what I'd be attaching the servo to. The access to this is a lot, I guess, cleaner. With that, I am going to pick out the smallest one they have because it's going on an RC car. So this is going to be the servo that I'm using, and the servo is going to be mounted somewhere around here. So the servo right here is just mounted on the side, and it's controlling the throttle right here. We are going to get this started. This is just an RC 3-cell battery, Turnigy brand, so from Hobby King. And then I have a Hobby King receiver, but the voltage for the servo right here is 5 volts, roughly 12 volts in, 5 volts out from the power distribution board right here to the receiver. And then that's powering the servo, powering it 5 volts. Now that I've got this fully working, the possibilities are endless. So the end goal for this project is to create a remote control car using a Harbor Freight engine. Most people put these engines on dirt bikes or go-karts, but I've never seen it put on an RC car yet. In part 2, I'm going to be designing the remote control car that this is going to be a part of. And in part 3, I'm going to be actually making the car. Hopefully I've given you some inspiration to spark your own project. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. And if you want to keep seeing more content like this, then subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell so that you can stay updated. What are some ideas that you think I could do with this? Put it in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time.